Here is the through-hole assembly process in PCBA production. Operators install components onto the PCB according to process requirements, ensuring that every part is placed accurately in the correct position. After insertion is completed, the boards move to the AIVS pre-solder inspection stage. Using a visual inspection system, issues such as missing components, wrong insertion, or misalignment can be identified before soldering, helping reduce defects in the next process. Once inspection is passed, the PCB enters the wave soldering process. After flux spraying, preheating, and wave soldering, the component leads are securely soldered to the pads, forming stable and reliable soldering joints. From component insertion to pre-solder inspection, and then wave soldering, every step is closely connected to ensure stable product quality. Soldered, your best partner.